बदला ने मी पाया हो बदला ने.
Hi guys, welcome to AAA Kids Zone. Please like and subscribe and share. Today was a winter storm in Michigan. It was about 3 to 4 inches tall. And me and my brother are going out for a walk to show you the winter in Michigan. And it's pretty crazy because the winter can be cold and pretty wet. So my brother and me were walking, and guess what we found? It was pretty deep. Here we had a chit-chat with our neighbors, and while coming back, I accidentally twisted my ankle. So do you know what this tells you guys? You have to be careful, and you have to wear winter boots in Michigan, because Michigan winter can be pretty crazy. Did you know that this is a pretty average winter storm? Because in Michigan, it's going to be way worse at the end of January. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to share.
वो सब कुछ